Hello and welcome to my video. Today I'm going to show you all about my marble run made out of toilet rolls. This is what you need. So, you need toilet paper and then you need some scissors to cut holes out and some sellotape. And most of all, you need balls, like rubber balls, marbles, any balls, but there's right size, like this. Not the big balls, because they can be heavy and they can actually break the course. So let's see how to do it. Okay. Over here is my marble run. So you start building up from the bottom and make your way up from the top to make it easier. Now test each step by step. So you point the angle and adapt it when something wrong, like when my ball flew off and you need to make it a little lower. So let's see how I make it. Like that. So you need to adjust it because it flew off. Okay? So where did it fly off? If you forgot where it flew off, then you check again. And make sure it's in the right place. So, we need to adjust the bit where it was a little slippy with sellotape and making the angle where you want it. And stick to see if it works. Okay, so we saw that it flew off this place. So we move it a little. Sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't because you need to see how it works. So we took away the little ball and we get the big ball now because it's a little easier. And voila! So you drop the ball into the holes that you made and make sure there's a gap between each, because then you don't know where your ball is and you don't see the exciting bit of the end. So that's why it's fun. Yeah. And make sure there's a box because then it might not fly off, but because I have this small box it bounces off easily because it's a little small. So that is all for today and see you next time.